Today we're going to be trying to catch some fish at this pond, and my sister's already throwing. My cousin, we're going to try to catch some, and Dawn, hey, like and subscribe and leave a comment, and we'll catch y'all in a second whenever we get something. My sister has a fish on right now. He's running in. Oh, it's a giant.
Yeah, man. It's giant.
Perfect size. These are monsters. That's all we catch out here. But she just got him in, and well, we forgot to bring the bucket. Don't put him back in there. All right, we'll catch y'all in a second. My sister just got a. She's the only one that's got anything so far. It's another. She hooked him pretty good. There it is. Oh!
Get him in the bucket.
Put him back in. Oh. Alright. My brother just got a fish. It's pretty
ugly.
It's probably the biggest one. Well, maybe, I don't know, they're all pretty big. Good amount. See if we can get some more. Alright, I'll show y'all what we got. We caught some off camera. Oh, this is a small one right here. I'll put them back. I think we got 6.
And maybe a pepperoni and then one with everything on it.
He'll get on. We got this one.
Cameron, what are you going to eat?
I don't know. Got this one.
Oh, would you rather have?
We were out here for about 20 minutes. Well, we might have got 7. Whoop. Yeah, we were probably out here for 15, 20 minutes. We got like 7. So. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and go check out my cousin's channel, Hunting and Fishing with Cole. Thanks for watching.